Hey, and this one is for the champion. I ain't lost since I began. Funny how you said it was the end. You know we did it again. I told you long ago, I got what you waiting for. From the dog, get your soul. Just tell them and let it low. You was never really for me anyway. I know that you been the time I wanna hear you say. From the dog, get your soul. Just tell them let them bring it home. So, you know like one with me up in there. Tell the right nigga wanna see her. I'm a bar nigga like Bieber. All for a bitch, I'm queer. But these nigga bitch let me deal. Yeah. Ay, all that do it. Ay, fall off, I just ain't release my new shit. I blew up to everybody trying to sue me. You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champion. I ain't lost since I began. Funny how you said it was the end. You know we did it again. I told you long ago on the road, I got what you waiting for. From the dog, get your soul. Just tell them and let it low. You was never really for me anyway. I know that you been the time I wanna hear you say. From the dog, get your soul. Just tell them let them bring it home.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so.
And I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's your sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. They make fans feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but please like Oklahoma. Mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers. I told you long ago.